Okay, so today I will be teaching you, or attempting to teach you all, how to do metric conversions for chemistry. So the first thing you need to understand is that the English metric system versus not the English metric system. The English system is different than the metric system because of the units of measurement we use, and ours units are kind of random numbers versus the metric system uses a base of 10. So we use inches, feet, pounds, ounces, gallons, and miles, but most of the rest of the world uses units like centimeters, meters, kilograms, grams, liters, kilometers, etc. So those are the units you'll be using from now on, basically. And to be able to convert, you need to know the prefixes. And if you're in Mr. Wignall's class, you'll probably need to know most of these on this chart. And take notice of all the symbols and the uppercase versus lowercase, because it is a big difference between milliliters and megaliters, or meters, megameters, millimeters, whatever. It's a huge difference. And speaking of when you get to that one, it's such a small amount that it's a decimal, but I like to think of it as a fraction when I'm converting, because it's just much easier, and you'll see that later, but you can do whatever you want. This is another chart that's kind of bad quality, sorry, and I don't think you need to know the pico one. Maybe you do, I don't know, I never learned it. So yeah, you can pause here if you want to look at this more, but I'm not going to take more time for this. Here's a practice problem. So you want to convert 2.3 kilograms into grams. And remembering that 1,000 grams is 1 kilogram, because kilo is the prefix for 1,000. So for conversions, you start with what you know, and that's 2.3 kilograms. And you want to convert into grams. So you're going to have to cancel out the kilogram unit so that you're left with grams. And to do that, you put kilograms on the bottom. And because kilograms is greater than grams, you put 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams, and that's there. And then the one that's on top, you just multiply it by 2.3, and your answer will have grams because these two are canceled out. So it's 2.3 times 1,000 is 2,300 grams. Here's a few more problems you can try to see if you're actually getting the hang of it. And you can pause around here so that I don't have to have the long awkward pause in this video. And yeah, so the first two are easier, but this one, remember that it will have multiple steps because you need to go from centimeters to meters and then meters to millimeters. And these are a little bit more difficult just because you may be using prefixes that you've never used before, like the giga and mega. So yeah, try those, and then I will have the answers and the work of how to do them. So these are the answers. And this is the work of how to do the first two. So for the first one, you start with 18.63 liters, and then you want to cancel out the liters, so you put the 1 liter on the bottom, and 1,000 milliliters is 1 liter. And then for the second one, you start with 97.25 centimeters. So again, you want to cancel the centimeters, 100 centimeters and 1 meter. Then to cancel the meters, you put on the bottom, and 1,000 millimeters and 1 meter. Okay, so this is the work for the last two. For the first one, you start with 0.0075 gigameters. You want to convert that into kilometers. So you start with that value and put gigameters on the bottom, of course, to cancel it out. And 1 gigameter is 1 times 10 to the 9th meters, or basically just putting in your calculators 1 with 9 zeros. So 1 0 0 0 0 0, yeah, whatever, you get the point. And then you want to cancel the meters, so there's 1,000 meters and 1 kilometer to get 7,500 kilometers. For the second one, it's 0.42101 gigagrams to megagrams. And so you do that and then cancel the gigagrams. And 1 gigagram is the same as the other problem was, 1 times 10 to the 9th grams. And then in 1 megagram, there's 1,000,000 grams. Sorry, I don't know what that's called. And then the answer is 421.01 megagrams. So thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you learned something at least. And I'm sorry if you were bored out of your mind and your teacher forced you to watch this.